As a beginner in front-end development, it's easy to make mistakes that hold you back. In this video, I'll highlight 10 common mistakes and show you how to avoid them to improve your skills quickly. Number 1. Writing JavaScript code directly inside HTML tags is not the best practice. The solution: using IDE and writing JavaScript code inside script tags, or in a separate JavaScript file is a better approach. Number 2. Problems with playing videos or audio.
The solution: you should use well-known formats, such as MP4 for videos and MP3 for audio. Also, make sure to use the video tag for videos, and the audio tag for audio, and don't forget to use the source tag to add the video or audio link.
Number 3. Some pages don't rank well in search engines due to simple mistakes in tag definitions.
The solution: use well-known headings for the page, such as H1, H2, and H3 tags. Also, make sure to add a description and include relevant keywords.
Number 4. JavaScript libraries can slow down the browser or cause performance issues.
The solution: use async to improve performance and prevent JavaScript libraries from slowing down the browser or causing issues.
Number 5. Accessibility issues can arise.
The solution: use alt attributes for images and videos, and ARIA labels for buttons and links to improve accessibility.
Number 6. Not knowing how to properly align elements on the page and using outdated or incorrect methods.
The solution: use Flexbox or Grid for better alignment and control of elements, and ensuring the page remains responsive.
Number 7. Large images can take a long time to load and may provide a user experience.
The solution: optimize images by compressing them and using modern formats like SVG and WebP. Also, implement lazy loading for better performance.
Number 8. Incorrect placement of comments can negatively affect the user experience.
The solution: comments should be written outside of the tag.
Number 9. Incorrect placement of CSS and JavaScript files.
The solution: the CSS file should be placed in the less than head greater than, and the JavaScript file should be placed at the end of the less than body greater than.
Number 10. Using less than H1 greater than more than once can cause accessibility issues.
The solution: use H2 and H3 tags for other subheadings.
Number 11. Using div tag for everything makes the code harder to read and can cause issues with search engines.
The solution: use HTML semantic tags like header, main, article, and footer.
Number 12. Not using label tag with input can cause accessibility issues and make forms harder to navigate.
The solution: always use label with input and link them properly.
Finally, if this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.